Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning here, and today I want to talk about a course that I recently took on Udemy called Advanced DAX for Power BI. If you're looking to take your Power BI skills to the next level and really dive into the data analysis expression, DAX, language, then this course is for you. This course is designed to help you master the DAX language and become a more advanced Power BI user. By the end of the course, you'll be able to create sophisticated calculations and models, and really leverage the power of Power BI to tell compelling stories with your data. This course is aimed at those who already have a basic understanding of Power BI and the DAX language. If you're looking to take your data analysis skills to the next level, or if you're working with large datasets and need to create more complex models, then this course is definitely for you. This course covers a range of advanced topics in DAX, including working with complex calculations, creating advanced formulas, and optimizing your Power BI models. You'll learn how to work with variables, functions, and nested functions, and how to create models that are both accurate and efficient. The course also covers how to create compelling visualizations and stories with your data, so you can effectively communicate your findings to others. While this course is primarily video-based, there are a number of supplemental readings that you'll need to complete in order to get the most out of the course. These readings will help you better understand the concepts covered in the course and provide you with additional resources for further study. I really enjoyed this course and found it to be a great way to advance my Power BI skills. The instructor was clear and easy to follow, and the course materials were well organized and comprehensive. I especially appreciated the focus on storytelling with data, as this is something that I feel is often overlooked in data analysis courses. If you're looking to take your Power BI skills to the next level and really master the DAX language, I highly recommend this course. With its focus on advanced topics and storytelling, you'll be well equipped to create sophisticated models and tell compelling stories with your data. So, go ahead and give it a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this course review was helpful. If you're looking for more course recommendations or Power BI tips, be sure to check out my other videos. Until next time, happy analyzing!